You what the hell? You're on Pooya camera. What is D?
It was working last time. It just like screwed up this time. Like I don't know what the hell happened.
Maybe because I mixed it instead
The
of
colors
using
were
it.
matching up.
This is a different drug.
Turning red, man. Turning red.
You're getting an overdose.
If it just goes that way, if it just go, oh, okay.
No, that's a little too much.
All right.
Hand it over.
No.
Hand it over.
It was this size.
Hand
It was
it
just like,
over. You're going crazy.
hey. All right. 2/3 of this. 2/3. Now, what are we doing?
Hand over.
What do we do here?
Oh yeah. You're lashing out. You're hitting me. You would never do this if you weren't on Rubik's Cube.
Orange. All right. 2/3 of orange on one side. Now.
That's not how it works. You should introduce that stuff to your mind.
No, Steve. Let's go, bro.
Pooya, you're addicted.
Oh yeah.
Oh, all right. Wait, it was the same as it was last time.
You mean a Z? Yeah, you meant a Z.
Yeah, wow.
Wow.
Z for 30 years.
Oh my god.